Installing the Odyssey battery-operated fan air freshener dispenser. Your Odyssey air freshener dispenser includes the following items. These tools will be needed for installation. To obtain the best performance from your air freshener, choose a location near a door to take advantage of the airflow. Do not install your dispenser near air or exhaust vents. Then, mark the mounting hole locations, preferably in the grout lines. Next, drill the holes and insert the wall anchors. Fasten the backplate to the wall with the provided screws. Position the backplate using a level. Slide the fan assembly into place and insert the D-size battery. Now, insert the air scent refill. There are several refill types available. Attach the cover and the installation is complete.